Hey everyone, thanks for clicking on this video. And today I'm going to show you how to install Android Studio on Windows 10. So after you go to Google from your browser of choice, just type in Android Studio. And it's going to just be the first link, first result. And then it should bring you to this page and download Android Studio. Just click on that and read the terms and click on download. And then I'll skip ahead because it's a gigabyte download and my internet's not the greatest, so I'll just fast forward. Alright, and we are back. So once it's done, you can just open up the file. Minimize that. And then you should see this pop up right here. So just click on next. Make sure that's selected. Hit next, and then you could choose a certain location. I'm just going to leave it as the default. And then you just hit install, wait for it to install. And I want to skip this as well. Alright, that took less than a minute, but I didn't want to bore you guys too much. So it should say completed. Hit on next, and then you can either start it right now or you could just wait. Let's go ahead and start it and click on finish. And then if it's your first time doing it, you can just do not import settings because there are no previous settings to import. And this is just the setup wizard. I'm not going to go through this, but it's just going to help you set it up. So that's how you install Android Studio on Windows 10. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video.